Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put apps on your Mac desktop so you can actually access them really quickly. So first, you simply have to open the Finder on your PC and go to the Applications folder. From there, you then have to find the app that you want to add to your desktop and then click and drag it to the desktop. So this is then gonna create a shortcut without moving the actual app. So you can actually generate an extra shortcut by right-clicking the app, then selecting Make Alias. So once you do that, you can then drag the alias to the desktop for easier access. So after this, your app will then appear on your Mac desktop and you'll then be able to open it anytime with a double click. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.